Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Truncated Cluster Buster. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, we have Truncated Cluster Buster, and this is a dexterity puzzle. So what that means is it'll probably fall apart really easily, and then it's difficult to put back together. Coordinated movement and whatnot. So we'll just pick a color, we'll go with white, and we can see the seam running through it, the Z. We'll just grab on either side of that seam and do the same on the other side. And we can just pull it, we can just wiggle it a little. We can also do a similar thing onto another seam to kind of help us along. We can just do a little wiggly jiggle. And we can see it kind of splits apart in a very interesting manner. And we can just explode it. All the pieces are the same. So we just groups of colors and we will build our first piece. We have a little logo in here. We want to cover that up. So we'll put a piece like this, and these pyramids in the center are going to mate up. And we just covered the logo, right? So like so. And then we will cover the black logo up with the red, and the white will cover the red's logo. So you'll get something that looks like this. Now this is easier to do on a piece of carpet or something that's grippy, not like a super smooth table, then you can't really sit it down because it'll just slide and it'll be a mess. So now our other half, we actually want to mirror this piece. So if I put like a pane of glass, it would be like the reflection. Or a mirror, as it were. So we will find our white piece. That looks right. We will then put our red piece. Nope. Rotate that around. Yeah, that looks right. And then we will take our black piece. And we will want to flip that. How does that look? Looks good. So now we'll just rotate this piece around, save us some shenanigans when we pick up the other one. So that it's kind of, the colors are like so. And then we will go about attempting to pick this one up. Now you'll want to get these tight to the center. Like I have it, you'll have to claw grip it and match up the white to the white, match up all the gubbins. You can kind of see how I'm putting it together. It really, at the end of the day, all these pieces are the same. You could put them together and just have them mismatched and the puzzle would still function. But we will now just kind of get these tips to kind of pair up with the flats, like so. And you'll just kind of finoodle it a little. And you can feel it when you get it. Mostly you do want to keep this tight, so if you start getting sloppy, you might need to just readjust your claw grip. Okay. Yo. So like that, like that. and like so. And then at this point it kind of gets sticky, you just want to sure it up. Give it a little tappy. But yeah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.